Namaste guys. In this video, we are going to learn about how to do the sum of a linked list. Okay. So here you can see that I have a linked list. Okay. One, two, two, three, and I want to do the sum of it. So let's see how does this code work and what is the logic. So I assume that you all guys know what is a linked list. So I will try to jump into the logic. So here basically I've created a linked list in which A is my head. So okay, so first let's draw our linked list. So A equal to 1 and it's pointing A dot next. It means you can see A dot next. It means A contains the address of B and B's value is 2. Similarly, B contains the address of C and C contains the value of C's data, that is 2. And the last one, that is D, and D's value is 3. So C contains the address of D and D's value is 3. So let's try to understand how does this code work. Okay, so basically I have created a function to make it sum, and it will basically going to give me data in int because I want sum of the data. And here you can see my input data is basically that function we're going to use is not integer head. Okay, because my data type is not integer. Okay, so here I've created a data type in sum. Okay, integer type, and sum is 0 currently. So now I have used a while loop. Okay, so while head does not equal to null. So okay, while head doesn't equal to null. So what I've done is I have typed sum plus head dot data. Okay, so sum, what's sum value? It is 0 plus head dot data. What is head dot data? It is what is a dot data? It is 1. So it is 1 here. After that I type, after that it is head equal to head dot next. So it means this one is not no longer is head. Now this one is B is head. Now a question arises, is B is null? No, B is not null. Here you can see in my while loop it is asking it is B is null. If B does not equal to null, okay, suppose if B is equal to null, then you will move out from the while loop. Okay, but in my case B, the B basically is not equal to null, so you will remain in this while loop. So what we'll do, sum. Now sum, what is the sum? It is 1. Now you will add 2 here. So 1 plus 2, 3. Similarly, again, now this one is no longer remain head. Now C is going to be head because of head equal to head dot next. Okay, so C is now head. Now you will use the same logic. So 3 plus 2 equal to 5, and similarly D, that is 5 plus 3 equal to 8, and we got the answer of 8. Okay, and just to know that after D, when it do head dot next, you will get a default value of null. Okay, because if you don't define the value after D or before A, it is automatically defined null. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Suppose I type uh, control copy, sorry, control V, the last is D. So if I type D dot null, sorry, D dot next, okay, and click on run, you will see I automatically get the value of null. So in that way you can go to the return to the sum. Here you can see I return to the sum. So at the end I will get a simple sum of my linked list. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask questions. Thanks for watching and have a great day.